sebe ni tiri ho amfo nyina yesika no nti ama ni tiri ama kwame ehu etirefu kwame ka bia wodam uhefu a wotone da bia obi oye radio de obede
ebusianfo aha GhanaNsem TV GH mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you will notify. Ebusianfo eyera and the appear kubi no krenya menim Bible say nipa ya dia osaye yes sir Bible na ka de me say Bible na ka but say nipa ya dia osaye na me ka no samu and the appear kubi oya chema Wontumi lawyer no krenya menim say yembo papa na baso oya lawyer papa and the appear kubi no oya lawyer papa na say first media na me share that pen asem sir esa say me feel say eba no say the way he misled many of us. Why am I saying that? When parliamentarians came up, say some of them came out that they were demanding for the sacking of Ken Oforiatta. Now no him. And to me feel say upon what looking back, no now we shouldn't have asked for Ken Oforiatta to be sacked because NDC4 omunye sadieda. Now second thing no say ebra na chema Wontumi achi no call iyoko honum no. Now me feel say and the appear Kubi was using that opportunity to give an advantage to Brian Echampon. But beyond that, Nebusianfo, the way this man is dealing with the chairman Wontumi case, systematically, and you know, I believe that by now, or dim crowd. Yeah, because you say a idea NDC4 akatam etu say omba baima eye chairman Wontumi and I say Bosiaku or whatever his name is onude obedempe. We've heard allegedly say even the current chairman of NDC has said something like that. And it takes a lawyer of high repute, an intelligent lawyer, to keep the issue where it is to the extent, say, as it stands, no. Even prosecution, crowd might confused. Now, a great interview be Pure FM with Kwame Adinkra. Ebeya Ebusianfo. You can interview, no. Remember to leave a comment, like and share this post with friends. Let them know that the voice is on GhanaNsem TV GH. And here is where you always get your authentic patriotic news. I'll see you in the next one.
I was to say, obeden when you scatter, Sakano, that's who him no ma hold one come here, Dinkra ya. Emma, Utminya Sikadi running a life. I mean, na amwa. It case study out there perfect. Say, who Attorney General Wapro, who Abeka and conform your complicit to a crime nim. I try a case in Ukraine more or less.
In the media,
yes, in the media every. Then you turn round, say, Obidia or see Obidia dance here against Chama Wontumi. Into any dear Sadia, any dinner free accused position. A prosecution witness.
And the first charges now, because I am complicit. This is the way.
It's Kwame, the fundamental.
Boyfriend or Nibi.
And yet, I told you never drop.
Why?
It is the court. We become a court and I convince it.
Sir, Attorney General and the preferred charges at the court. The Attorney General says, oh, but the can't cast a we. They say, why you want to say, I will bet me up, Wabby. I'm a Nipa, me want to come for them. Ubet me abwame enti o kwa wo den de bajai
yeah case of prefer ne kwa ho
say say uko act na here atunga na or ba to court nim say this agreement aye you percent me drop. But it is up to the judge to look at the value of your case vis-a-vis the person you answer no accept.
No, who's that? Attorney General and their preferred charges. Now they are court.
Plea bargain act. We have agreement in there we are.
But no,
the charges can be amended.
Plea bargain is different though. The plea bargain is different from the old kind.
It's part of the plea bargain. When you plea bargain, one of the conditions say you can be used as a witness against one of your friends. Your friends.
Now, Evans has sent me a very long essay.
And this
now Evans, I don't know. Also, this longest is the intimate can you know. And I never intimate can tell you.
I was some call.
Okay, Salam, this one is for you. It says Salam keeps referring to plea bargain, but with plea bargain, immediately you enter into it, and the court accepts, you become a convict, more or less a criminal with a criminal record. Plea bargain only shortens the trial process and not necessarily excluded one of innocence. What Akwaku did is not plea bargain. It is a flip under Section 59 of the Criminal Procedure Act. The laws of Ghana allows the Attorney General to flip an accused to become a prosecution witness for a greater good. In this instance, the accused does not become a convict nor a criminal. In fact, the judge does not play a role in this flipping of the accused to even make the accused a convict or a criminal. So we should not confuse the two and not liken what Akoko did as a plea bargain. The amendment says simply, and they say, Attorney General, I say, oh, there's some echo court. Then Grufo, and Omo Ekaho, and I'm Dioko. Along the line, I'm never castle about say, on the which my can occurribia, wumbia. Now, no crana, no, a bit me, I'm a nipan, no tupano, it me at that family council. Now, Attorney General Tias, and they old India, my jay. Now, class, I'm no, now, Boamia, between the window, atum. That's I don't know, and court to be out. An arrangement between a Attorney General and Nipa Crona or involved. A young court young we. And tis our charges say about Quacono. Attorney General emphasized and crano and crab a court crano. Now, the old dear Rev, the old dear Ochi Emerson say. Attorney General, I can't catch rain.
What is a catch rain?
Say, oh, young court yet. Then more a quacono. When, and why? And as the young Sakacha say, they make a quaconiano. Because a quacon is over to make as a full be our court in tea. They didn't, the morning, but I can. That's a Zizia. Aha.
Legend, therefore, it means that any chairman to minimum and our person who make sure say, wouldn't anybody? Because, and yet on Unquana, unya charges, no. But when you get say, or by prosecution witness there, or not somebody dear Majai, but won't to be the any day, but the other see any uncle to the latter.
Attorney General, I catch it. We will use the smaller fishes to catch the big fish.
Legend,
I don't
legend, get a point, but my say, I am Emra, any justice in Tino, any quase. I mean, I'm not happy with it because I don't care when you come and say, "Oh, can be now for you?"
Acceptable, my lord, you. But yeah, so I watch you. And then I still come back to my analogy. Say, Bokro. Because we are dancing and it's not fair. Reverend,
yes,
it's not fair.
Dear, a beer, Yanima Yahunu was answering when you say. Any nebinum adjune ekwakoye say a political trial be na yeye. Now it is not about the state, the interest of the state. Kwame, say ekobani sa na mpani ampa sese nkomoni guso ayekoso. Abranti ya onwo di sika bi ko gina court ko testify against Wontumi dia. Na say Wontumi na target dia. Na political trial.
Yeah.
Enti say e ba say ye kan so omunko manum tu ma ye hunu say a political trial e na yeye. Oh, Kwame.
Because the meeting to crown is there. Yes, I could tell myself. Sir, catch be a friend Henry. ɔno na Chairman Wontumi ɛde ma na ɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna akuako no so ɛyɛ manager a ɔwɔ hɔ sɛ ne ɔno ɔyɛ adwuma no hɔ yɛkɔto so ɔyɛ adwuma hɔ no ɔno nso so sɛ ɔbɛba bi di adanseɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Chairman Wontumi dia nti ɔno nso no the charges no yɛ withdraw manager no nso a ɔwɔ no sisi no ɔno nso charges no yɛ withdraw nti na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ na okay ɛnyɛ about sɛ yɛ fight GhanaNsem na so ne mu Chairman Wontumi na no ɛna ɛsɛ pɛ kwan biara so ɛde tu nti sɛ nipa 1,000 kora na ɛdi bɔne na sɛ ɔmɛtumi aba bɛka kyerɛ adi adanseɛ paa sɛ Chairman Wontumi ɛna ɛyɛ adan deɛ ɔma maka nyinaa no deɛ
but Kwame, me dear, me lawyer, but me a friends of the court, me a friend of the court.
Yeah.
Me take court na court to take proceedings. Pa.
You want to do that?
So, ukona comport to me. But Kwame, me take high court, me court na ho tie nsem pa because I am the beach radio. But Kwame, I think say Abdul Salam waha, who do obi imu die. Me nyi ni say womo a state, am I nearly Wontumi? That will be the close of the case. I believe that crime has no expiry date. A new government can come who will also be interested in the case. State enough as witnesses, and can still take the issue up. It will be as simple as a prosecution fa Edia nearly where we yen say. Said ye okay analogy obi for so beba and don't forget 2 million never do sir Ghana had ye young say 2 million ya be do sir Kwame the opposite o ye bia obetumi dia ye so long as a constitutional enti ekwakono ne womo e free Wontumi afa no well and me I cannot sit here and advise them whether to do A or B, but they should be mindful of the fact that omanisi kasem ena ye boho ban dia daach ni bi no Kwame metahwe France 24 pa na at one program omo ya na me de pa ne se omtumi ye bibi tumi si a twema yaka ho asema wie omsi bia this program revisited.
Okay.
We can revisit the issue into omo decision bia omo taking in no omo hwe ni ye at least for this 4 years there ABI betumi abase Emrama ho kwan Attorney General no my arrangement into ma flipo. But beyond that, I think that in future, and Kwame, I will advise any future government, if you want to fight graft and corruption in this country, any future government should revisit this issue, no matter the outcome of the issue.
Okay. Now, Salam Wonana, I want to say, lawyer, Okuti Constitution. Say, Attorney General a drop it will be charges. Na or specifically patronomit me ako kanokre. Au koto. Na oko. Na wantian kanokre amana amwa Attorney General na. Later, Attorney General bitwaka say charges or sign and the charges are assemble we wana.
Legend, what is
and I say
then the minimum say oko court as a witness.
Yeah.
Now oko swear you are under oath. So it may establish as they work and watch on trial.
Yeah.
You'll be held for perjury.
Okay.
And over with the minimum I'm say 5 years or so. Say maximum of 5 years. So and I say you can be turned into a hostile witness. Just what by so by
anti senipane a hostile witness. Attorney General no. Osa wo ho kwan biem say bo bi anam kan. She said me some press charges against
you. At that moment you don't need Attorney General court and I say no be the instant. They said why we saw before the court. The moment you enter into the court,
the court no, you find charge behind call me call as a witness. So media that's the crew, and that's the crew who charges, and that's a who also check, and they bomb. But and yet, say charges be first Attorney General demand. Oh, this here, say I go now uchantra, say I should you. If I saw obedi draw her and no ewo. But say first one yeah ka say ebia now oka galamsey hon as wono eno de nya ndo na court
ale say ko ba say the onukwana na especially on kana wankana then they will reverse it say then the reason why I do coin one kon koye and the best advice no charge na that means you are complicit
and you say you withdraw charges and then just at the end of the
that's the end of the story so one go fulfill parts as witness the other just say adia kana nobody
na papa na okasa I want to maintain you say so when I told you akoye nkuta ho no akaze say na mbasem ya sa interviews are all granted no and no for so ben pa na also but hold on, let me talk to Honorable Lawyer Anti-graft. He's a lawyer for Chairman Wontumi. Council and I pay more chill PFM ni na upo yede okay o clients Chairman Wontumi and now but yes we say oh my guy me kwaye dikodia dance etiano ababaku mienu sa dikodia dance etiano eno emrem no ekyerese ankasa
me da si me mini kan chefo no na kwa me e wo mu ni se say di asemu a ye mra no ma ho kwan se obi ohon mo na particularly financial crimes no otimi ka se o mini attorney general bedin komo na prosecutor bedin komo na metua kana medie no na afiro eno no ye court action ma ho kwai sana act 30 no criminal offenses and other offenses procedure act no and also ma ho kwai under section 59 no so ma ho kwai na se akobane se obi ejina amrano as an accused person na se woni enkofobi na ewo ho as accused persons obi timi yi ni hu se bia meye adasidi ama attorney general eno attorney general na invite o na obey ofiso ba be as a witness na MPP no ya na ya bi say attorney general susu a prosecutor no o sheshe ba kuka ho as minister for justice na yanim bi dey can say notwithstanding say provision bi ho say you can do that in the district court no say ekobani say attorney general no wo minister of justice no o san kofa obi a wo bor kwadu so omedi adanse entia ema wo asema wudi mu a na wo undermine the course of justice enti ende ya na ye nyinin judge minister but it was so bad is anti wa invite akoku so akoma the witness statement almost say we akoku no witness statement enti ye bedru ho na ya idea family na ya hede emrano kan ene dia emrano so edibefa na ye hu capacity a ekwekuno ediba bigina ho as a witness ene ni nsema dan man kwanya obeka na ubi ho mo ya no agini say bia mini attorney general yisi ya ni drop charges na man na the real piece law no na so card na san why dey oyi na section 59 subsection 4 no I said notwithstanding say ya mo akwedi adansi ama attorney general say we dey adansi ni nyina wie no attorney general bitime prosecute one kasa so on the same charges no and the same fact no bitime prosecute section subsection 4 no hosa and say ye drop charges no na ubeye witness we are no chance of a wedi any time crimes there any expiry date any time bit me boku sa close no the a prosecuting the ukwa unya binu kasabi akohe section 59 subsection 4 na radio And it says 59 no just with the over media that's it you know. So who say that's also to show that be no so we who know.
Ade sina bansai a bomb case and as a bomb case cry.
Oh, and say a case. Yeah, dear say yeah, said dear say my evidence say a dibibu. Yeah, said dear say yeah, but just say attorney general na prosecutor needs some more all canon. The evidence of the banner is so and now say be any bibobra. No, we are supposed to just evaluate evidence now where inconsistencies were and as ambiguities near the one it's a nice advantage. And the omuna ebe prosecution. And the omo akwano omo kasa timikwa etutu omo asinti ehwe ye case die zenukra.
Akwa na mabonte say ono ne Chama Wontumi adwuma 24 years or a general manager Chama Wontumi kra ka say obeman sika bi o amfa ma no ususu say ni bre hoye a ana say dempa anti a oni attorney general akoka ho sama wie na ona mabonte a opo so chichi mu abra court kwa unyanko
court ni the young trans man kwan so nkana se na mum de okay nyina ezu de kwadwindwim Aniti so opeso be kana court also kwa ho no me kana ye fa GhanaNsem na mum de e ti no bonti nyina de kwadwindwim anti nya public opinion court near court of competent jurisdiction anti me say no me tuli fubi ntimi kan chance de way na wonye they will say or also provide more information via and so edana yes we dey adwumbe ebeto hu dey adwuma
lawyer ebedasi nyamenka
nyamisha
lawyer Andy Apiakobi and Ebonkuma. He is a lawyer for Mr. Anchi Bernard Anchi Wesiako Chama Wontumi. Now Rem me problem I go kakra say only attorney general akoye mo hihye dem pa the company say as some because reduce na me ko boss ankro no dey there
kwame yesi opa no ma ebo ato aba no ma no na ono so epe baby etu esi me jiri se said the lawyer and the appeal could be akan a very good omen for the defense counsel and in the team no because kwame me jiri se ensem bi wo ho no mu a esi a yensi kwa say me no akobokro no allegedly na opese afa wi hu di free mu no kwame enye better sa o enye better sa and I'm happy said the Andy Kaye was say the all can also de kwa adwundwunim nto ne ka kwame ubenya kranka ye program ye ntwa so na nka ye mfre no no nkoso a no nkasa no nka kwame jiri se ka next week o program abeye for Monday to Thursday nyina say Friday the other need time
ye mfre koko
no be bonkro no oh kwame ni nyina eni say
mentase
yes ti de won ti ase
kasa berebi no sese ne o hwe afra attorney general o de ama wo inshisha mo hihye unya kokoto unya mo pro statement na watch
what if it's a strategy by the prosecution team
to do what
next to paint a nipa no black and don't forget that attorney general now starting on that trajectory attorney general na emo no sa kwan no afa so nti wo mom di na chi so be dey kwame it can be a strategy. Let's think about it. Say
baby on painters omo echo di those who are going to serve as a prosecution witness akonya wonko your grofo ye nto wa no kasada omo
Bakwa me hwe ko position in this case. That's why general manager.
You obi ha oso che akuako.
Bakwa me.
No ni case no. Eso che akuako. Onkasada.
Bakwa me asem ne say ade na mu no a public trial. ɛna asa se free attorney general no ɛna party for do omo ho agim akwa kusu ye obi a oye close to Chama Wontumi at least for where we sit enti yen pia ono so no omra mu no makeke kenke bia na Ghana for enya adwen fufuro bi so ho enti Kwame it can be a strategy. Kwame, in this country
a serious lawyer.
But Kwame, me say in this country everything is possible. Na say wouldn't say Kwame
a serious lawyer.
Kwame uji di say ensem ni bu ho aye de kokota ya na a convention keke ni epe minyi ni say ya na most of the time the motivation is ebenya convention but to tarnish somebody's reputation any party no me belebu so me corrupt because Kwame nkenti sa anka wo si obi edisika yenyan fanin kokota kra na na bag kuta no bo ni ade nyina ye de betutu dwa na Kwame eje pa na epese achieve. So and chairman yisu so say drink ati aso na kai yo.
Oso udi kan court.
Udi kan court. No ni and osa kan back no. Any idiot
can
go to court. So until Kwame it can be a strategy. Say and did you close to Wontumi. Enti yempe kwa bi so na yema ne nkika nsem ni nguma na Ghana for ehu say oh say the attorney general kan kra no. Ebia no ma bi wo ho a all my revelations ni ade but Mijiri se Kwame utie lawyer and the asemo kan ye ya efo amasema me kan earlier so say ekuno ohunu se ene na oko ye adwuma attorney general that is not going to be the end of his case. There's the possibility say wonu amu so bekwa go gina mra no nti de oye bia no he should be very very mindful. But Kwame there's a bigger issue mijiri se wose edi nyina ya dwene ekoso se wo ma we mu enoma bi ohono mu a mijiri se wose elevate discourse no na ye hunu se ye move free political campaign platform so ye govern last time me kind say ye ntumi anya sa clear distinction say ye wo political campaign season and ye wo governance season. Kwame ebe ha dwene because enoma ekoso is more like
so long as we talk to political parties.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, but Kwame, I mean, your best practices are